Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve another set from SimCat 3. So before I begin, I would like you to pause this set and try it if you haven't. Take a screenshot, pause it and do it. So these are the questions which you have to answer. Okay, now we can move towards the set. So the set says that the cops arrested 4 suspects in a theft case. The name of the suspects are Amjad, Amrish, Danny and Ranjit. The cops know that exactly one of them always speaks the truth. One of them always lies. Two of them are alternators. One of them speak every odd number statement true and even number statement false. And this person is known as alternate truth teller. Okay, this person is known as alternate truth teller. After that we have, sorry guys, so other person speaks every odd statement lie and every even statement truth. Alternate liar, that person is known as alternate liar. Okay, so now the cops had found a hat at a site. Each one of them was asked about the color of the hat they were wearing. All the 4 suspects are cunning. They don't give any direct clues and always divert from the topic. Each of them made these statements given as below. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the names, and in front of that we will consider different cases. Okay, so Amrish, we have Danny and we have Ranjit. Also we'll write the names in this block so that we can write the hat color of the hat over here. Okay, so it is Amjad, Amrish, we have Danny and we have Ranjit. Okay, acha, first thing here, see, as you can see that one is a truth teller, so there will be 3 statements. All the 3 statements will be true. His one is a complete liar, so he will say false all the statements. One is an alternate truth teller, that means he says first and third statement true and second statement false. And one is alternate liar who speaks first and third statement false and second statement true. So in binary logic, this is a question of binary logic. What we do is we assume everyone to be the truth teller once, and we make cases and check if there is any contradictory condition or not. If there is none, then that case is acceptable to us. So first what we will do is we will give Amjad the truth teller tag. So Amjad is a truth teller. We will consider that every statement made by him is true. He says that the one who wears blue hat is truth teller. As we know, he himself is a truth teller, so he will wear the blue hat. Then he says, I wear a green hat. So if he wears blue and green both, that is not a possible case. And his both statements are true. That means he has to wear blue, he has to wear green. So this thing cannot be done. So that means this case is not applicable. This case is not correct because he cannot wear both the colors. So Amjad can never be the truth teller. Come to Amrish. If Amrish is the truth teller, so the one who wears red hat is a liar. We do not know who the liar is, so we'll keep this statement aside for some time. He says, I wear a yellow hat. As he is the truth teller, assign him the yellow hat. Then he says that the last statement spoken by only one of us is true. He says only one of us speaks the third statement true. But from here we know that two of them are speaking the last statement true. So that means this statement is false, and we have assumed that he's saying the truth. So this cannot be the case. So that means this case is also not the correct case, and we can say that Amrish can never ever be the truth teller. Now we'll give Danny the truth teller. So if Danny is the truth teller, so he says the one who wear green hat is alternate truth teller. Okay, we do not know anything about the alternate truth teller, so we'll keep him aside for some time. Then he says I wear a red hat. So as he is a truth teller, we will assign Danny the red hat. Then we have the last statement spoken by two of us is true. That's also true. Now come to Amjad. He says the one who wears blue hat is truth teller. Now one who wears blue hat is truth teller is what he is saying, but we know that truth teller is wearing red hat. That means his first statement is false. So false statement. He says I wear a green hat. See, green hat is worn by alternate truth teller. That means alternate truth teller is the one whose first statement is true, and his first statement is false, so he cannot be the alternate truth teller. That means he cannot wear the green hat because a truth teller has said that alternate truth teller is going to wear a green hat. So he cannot wear a green hat, which he is saying he is wearing. So his second statement is also false. And if second statement is also false, the case is this one. That means his third statement is also going to be false, which you can also see that Danny is a liar is definitely a false statement because we have assumed that Danny is the truth teller. So this is done. Till now we have checked for Amjad and there are no contradictory statements. Okay, come to Amrish. He says that the one who wears red hat is a liar, but we know that one who wears red hat is the truth teller. So his first statement is false. If his first statement is false, his second statement is true, and third statement is false, because starting with false, one case was a complete liar, one was alternate liar. Complete liar was already taken, so alternate liar he will be. So his second statement is true. That means, that is, I wear yellow hat, so we will give him yellow hat because he's saying the truth. That means Ranjit is going to be the alternate truth teller. That means true, false, and true. That means the one who wears yellow hat is alternate liar. His statement is true. And we also can see that Amrish is an alternate liar and he is wearing a yellow hat. He says, I wear a blue hat, which is a false statement. And we know because he's an alternate truth teller, he will wear a green hat. Okay, so Amjad will wear a blue hat, and last statement, third spoken by me, is truth, which is true. Okay, so these are the cases. Okay, but we will not stop here, because in binary logic what happens is that you can have more than one case. So we will check for the last case in which Ranjit is the truth teller. So if Ranjit is the truth teller, we will give him blue hat. Okay, first this thing is clear. After that, go to Amjad. Amjad says that the one who wears blue hat is truth teller. So that means he is telling the truth. If he is telling the truth, that means he cannot be the truth teller complete, but he can be alternate truth teller, and he has to be the alternate truth teller. That means his third statement is true. When his third statement is true, that means Danny is a liar is true. That means Danny is a liar. But Danny's third statement is that the last statement spoken by two of us is true. And that is the true statement. We know that. We 100% know that that is the true statement. And here it is saying that it is a false statement. So it is a contradictory case. That means this cannot be the case. That means there is only one possible case here. The case in which Danny is the truth teller, Ranjit is alternate truth teller, Amrish is alternate liar, and Amjad is the liar. Okay, these are the colors of color of the hat that they are wearing. Now what we can do is we can go towards the question and answer them. So the first question is, what color hat is worn by the person who always tells the truth? So that is Danny, and he wears a red color hat. So correct answer is red. Who two people spoke truth at least of the two statement? That means the truth teller and the alternate truth teller. So they are Danny, who is the truth teller, and Ranjit. Okay. Now, how many of the below mentioned statements are true? The person with green hat is alternate truth teller. We know that. Danny wears green hat. No, he is wearing a red hat. Amjad wears yellow hat. No, he is wearing a blue hat, I guess. Yeah. So that means only one statement is true. What is the color of the hat worn by Ranjit? He is the alternate truth teller. He is wearing a green color hat. So this is your answer for the fourth question. With this, a set is done. I hope you have understood this set well. So thanks for watching the video. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.